In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a simple dashboard in Notion. A dashboard gives you one place to access your tasks, notes, projects, and other important pages. Let's get started. Open Notion and create a new page, or click Templates in the sidebar if you'd like to start with a dashboard template. Search for Simple Dashboard or another dashboard template you like, then click Use this template. If you're creating your own dashboard, give the page a title and add an icon or cover image to personalize it. Add links to your most important pages, such as your task list, notes, projects, calendar, or goals. You can use headings, dividers, and columns to keep everything organized and easy to navigate. If you use databases, embed views such as table, board, or calendar so you can manage your work directly from the dashboard. Remove any sections you don't need and rearrange the layout to match your workflow. As your workspace grows, update your dashboard with new pages, shortcuts, and linked databases so everything you use most is always easy to access. That's how to create a simple dashboard in Notion. Thanks for watching.